Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Insignia portable air conditioner suddenly stops cooling correctly, shows unusual behavior, or simply does not respond the way it normally should, doing a reset may help refresh everything. Sometimes the controls seem delayed, while other times the unit powers on, but settings do not react properly. A quick reset can sometimes help clear temporary glitches and give the system a fresh restart without needing anything complicated. Before assuming something major is wrong with the unit, there are few simple things worth trying because many portable air conditioner issues can improve after a reset. Let's go through an easy way to reset an Insignia portable air conditioner. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Insignia portable air conditioner completely before beginning the reset process. Step 2. Disconnect power from the Insignia portable air conditioner and leave it unplugged briefly. Step 3. Wait a short moment while the Insignia portable air conditioner fully clears temporary settings. Step 4. Plug the Insignia portable air conditioner back into power after waiting long enough. Step 5. Turn on the Insignia portable air conditioner and adjust settings to check if controls respond normally again. Step 6. Test cooling on the Insignia portable air conditioner and confirm performance begins improving after the reset.